So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial I'm going to discuss how you can change the settings of your activity status, like you have been online or something, for a particular server only. You don't need to enable this for a whole Discord account. You just simply enable for a particular servers easily. So you can do the same process on smartphones as well. All you need to do is to just simply download the application of Discord, either in Play Store if you are using Android, or App Store if you are using iOS. So for this video I'm going to open the Discord on my Windows PC. Now this is the software of Discord. When you open this is the homepage. You all have been familiar with this, where on the left you're gonna see all the servers. Now first of all, select the server of which you want to make these settings. For example, if I select this server, now here on the left top corner you're gonna see full name of the server. Just simply click there, and here on the small window you're gonna see some options where you have to click on the option of privacy settings. Just simply click there. Now this is a small window will pop right in front of you, where on the third number of this list you're gonna see the option of activity status. Just simply disable this. Once you do that and hit done, now all your activities, like you have been online, not online, joined in, or removing from a server, these activities are going to be hidden and nobody will be able to see that. So by this method you can easily remove the online status for some particular servers on Discord. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting videos. See you in the next one. Take care.